Hello, so today we are going to do a very simple makeup look, and it's a festive look, yes, but it takes very less time and you don't have to spend hours and hours doing your makeup. So if you want to do something very quickly, this is the look that you can try, and trust me, it looks amazing. No one is going to notice that you've done it actually within just a few minutes. So let's get started with all the details. First, I'm going to prime my face. Now we are going to put the concealer wherever you feel you need to add some concealer. So we're done with the concealer. Now I am going to apply a foundation, or if you want you can also apply a BB cream or a CC cream if you're more comfortable wearing that. Now that we are done with the foundation, we are just going to set it in place using a loose powder or a setting powder. I am going to use a glittery shade. I am using more of a copper toned glittery shade, and I'm not taking any brush. I am just going to apply it very slightly in the mid portion here. Now we are going to apply a kajal. We are going to line our eyes using a kajal. I am going to be using a pencil like kajal because I think this is more easier to apply. So as you can see, I'm done putting the kajal. Now I'm going to very lightly smudge this. Okay, so we are done with the kajal. I've also applied it on the lower line of my eyes, but I've not gone till like the end. I have just applied it till like halfway. Now we are going to just very slightly add an eyeshadow on top of the smudged kajal that we've used. Now I'm going to take a very neutralish shade, which is more like a mix between brown and orange. You can choose whichever one you want. If you want to go a bit dramatic or bold, you can even go for bolder shades of eyeshadows. That's perfectly fine. So I'm using a very tiny brush to apply the eyeshadow shade. It just kind of softens the overall look. See the difference between this eye and this eye? I'm done with my eye makeup more or less. Now I'm going to quickly fill in my brows very lightly. We're done with the brows. Now I'm using this is more like a shimmery eyeshadow that I have. I'm going to put that on the inner corners of my eye and below the brow bone. Okay, so now I'm going to put some mascara. So we're done with our mascara. Now it's time to apply your favorite lipstick. I am going to be using this very bright red lipstick. You can obviously use whichever one you want to apply. I'm going to line my lips using a similar shade lip liner and then apply my lip color. So we are done with our lips. Now if you're okay with this, you can keep your look as is, or else if you really want, you can obviously apply your blush as well. I am going to apply some for this video. And now my favorite part, we are going to apply some highlighter. So yeah, this is it. Our makeup is done, and this is really simple to do, very quick. You don't need to be a makeup pro to get this look. I'm just going to finish my look with a bindi. So yeah, and of course my earrings. So yeah, this is it. This is our final look, and we are ready to go nowhere. I love it, and I hope you all liked it too, and you all will try it too.